Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see a very important topic, and that is that let's say that you are using your mobile to record some of the screen recordings, or you are recording some of the videos, and you are not sure how you can rename that. Because whenever you save some video, it will be named by the mobile automatically. So if you want to rename it, how can we locate that files? Let's see. So let's say it is about the screen recording. So in that case, what I'll do is just go to the menu and search for File Manager. Now I'm using Google Pixel. So I have the Google default application of files. So if you want to download Google Files to follow exactly the same, you can get it from the Play Store. All right, let's go in here. And since these are recordings, so I'll go to the movies, and in the movies, I can get the screen recordings. So let's say the most recent one, I want to rename it. As you can see, it is the default name, something like screen 20241. I don't want that. I would want to name it. Let's say I want to name it as video number 131. Let's click on this three dots right here, and here you will get this rename option. You can simply change it to video 131. So let's say if you want to record your audio in your laptop and then get the video from here, you can easily identify from that folder. Whenever you connect your mobile with the PC, you can easily identify that this is video number 131 that you need to match with the audio. So I guess this method is very helpful for you, especially if you're a working professional. Just comment down below if that works for you. And also if you want to join and see all the amazing tips and tricks regarding the Android phone, you can check out the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.